Nail techs, do you have clients who come to you with crazy curled nails or just ingrown nail pain and you really don't know how to best care for them? Or are you unsure of what method is the best way to treat them, or do you even know about any systems at all? If you were like me, you might be completely unaware that there are ways to uncurl the nail for permanent results. Chances are, though, you've done some hunting and you've seen different methods, but maybe you just don't know the best one to choose. Or the sticker shock of the training made you pump on the brakes, because I know that happened to me. There is one method that you might not be aware of, and it's one that I specialize in, and I'm here to talk to you about today. It's called the Curve Correct bracing system. Curve Correct braces are short plastic bands that you glue to the top of the nail. It's similar to the BS brace that you might be familiar with. They act as a spring to gently lift the sides of the nail upward, immediately relieving pain and beginning the process of flattening the nail. The process is completely painless, but what makes them different is that there are 6 different tensions that the bands come in so that you really can tailor your approach depending on the nail curve, thickness, and size. Within a few hours, you can learn and implement the Curve Correct bracing system into your business and charge a premium for it and be hailed as the nail tech who saved me from surgery by your clients. I've been doing this for about 9 years now, and I've seen some incredible results. So I'm just going to share with you a few different ones that you can really see within a few weeks, a massive change. This is my client. You can see she has very curled nails. And just in a matter of 4 months or so, we flattened her nails out almost completely. This is her other toe, and not as bad, but still not great, and obviously so much better. And then this is just another client of mine who is on the road to recovery. So there's no question that the bracing system works. It works really well. What might be holding you back is that because the nail bracing space is becoming more popular, from Onyfix to the BS brace to wire braces, you just don't know which way to go. But the one thing that the Curve Correct offers that the others do not are, like I said before, the various tensions. And this is a big, big deal. Onyfix takes months to get results. It's expensive training, the products are expensive, and it looks kind of bulky and unbecoming on the client. The BS brace only has one tension. It might be too much tension, which can cause nail lifting and pain for the client, or it might be too little tension and the client might not see much result at all. Wire bracing is not permitted in America by nail tech, so we don't really even have to look at that one. And there are nail softening solutions that might help temporarily to relax the nail, but it requires a lot of home maintenance and consistency by the client, which we all know is not easy to get. And it doesn't permanently alter the shape of the nail. But the Curve Correct can accommodate every size, every curve, and every thickness of the nail due to the 6 different levels of tension offered. It's also affordable and it's non-toxic. If you've trained in Onyfix, you know that it has some limitations to it, but mainly that it takes a long time for your clients to feel and see the results. With the Curve Correct, your client will feel the results the same day that you put on the band, and they will see the results within a week. Unfortunately, here in America, we've been programmed to immediately fix our ingrown nail pain with surgery. And podiatrist offices thrive off this one procedure, where up to 30% of their yearly income is a profit due to matrixectomies. They are not trained in offering conservative methods and other methods of healing, even though these options have been around for years. Now, you will see other podiatrists in other countries that do offer different solutions other than going straight for the matrixectomy, which I love seeing that. It is so frustrating as an American that other countries are so far advanced in that kind of treatment, but yet here we are. This is what we're dealing with. But thankfully, in more recent years, there are some American podiatrists who have been talking more about conservative methods, and they're more on the Onyfix train. I'm guessing because it is a higher priced item and it's easier to apply because it takes like 5 minutes. It is our job as advanced pedicurists to find, train in, and offer these alternative methods to our clients that are often just as effective as surgery and painless. The Curve Correct brace is not exactly well known in the general public, and not really to the nail tech community either. Learning this method, however, is superior to the others, I'm convinced. And being one of the first to offer it in your area will create buzz around your business, bring you more cash flow, and set you up as a pioneer in the nail healing space. I know you're probably like, well, Rachel, why should I trust you? Who are you? So I've been a nail tech for around 20 years, and I've been doing more advanced pedicuring for the past 10 years. So I've been exactly where you are. 10 years ago, I was doing what I learned to do 20 years ago, which is use the same old tools and try and figure out on my own what to do with these involuted nails and try and help alleviate the pain that my clients are telling me about. But I really didn't know the mechanisms behind why their nail was misshapen in the first place and what I could possibly do to correct them. So when I first opened up my studio in 2016, I started seeing a bunch of new clients, and they were telling me about their ingrown nail pain, which generally is often not actually ingrown nail. It's more of an impacted nail or an involuted nail. And I didn't really know how to handle it. Don't tell them that. And so I just kind of, cleaned around the nail and did what I could to relieve some of the pressure onto skin. So I did a bunch of research, and I eventually found new nail tools, thank God, and I found the Curve Correct band. Now, back then, they only had the one tension, and I only had one client who was willing to give it a shot. So even though I was really nervous and I fumbled a little bit through the whole procedure, I eventually got the band on and sent my client home. The next month, she came in, and I was just flabbergasted. I couldn't believe it. She had absolutely no pain since the day I put on the band, and her nail was completely flattened in 4 weeks. She was so grateful that she was out of pain, but more than that, she had been thinking about getting surgery, and now she didn't have to even think about that anymore. No more surgery for her. So that's when I knew I was onto something. The only problem was that there was only one tension, and I tried it on myself. It was way too much tension for me. So I knew that I couldn't offer it to my clients with the knowledge that it could potentially cause them pain and harm their nails. So I put it on the back burner, and I just kind of didn't do anything with it for a while. A few years later, I came back. I dug up the Curve Correct website again, and lo and behold, they offered 6 tensions now. So I was like, hallelujah, thank God. Now I can really go full steam ahead and offer this to my clients. So I gained more experience with these different tensions and all the different types of nail curvatures. And after steadily incorporating it into my business, I have seen remarkable results. My clients were going from having painfully twisted nails and on the brink of surgery to pain-free, naturally curved nails within a matter of weeks. So you might be asking, well, okay, how does it actually work? So here's what happens. You have a little band. It's a little plastic strip. And there are varying tensions, meaning some bend a little bit more easily and some are less easy to bend. You cut it to the size across the width of the nail, and you bend it and glue it on just the sides of the nail. Now, because it's naturally wanting to be flat, it acts as a little spring. So as it attaches to the nail, it wants to flatten out because it wants to return to its natural state. But because it's glued to the side of the nail, it's going to take the sides of the nail along with it. And that's what pulls the nail up out of the nail groove and flattens the nail. And that's why it works so quickly, because it immediately puts stress on the nail plate. You see, if the nail is excessively curled and it's thicker, harder, you need a different tension in order to pull that nail out of that curl. And once you get to a halfway flattened nail, that same tension that you started with might end up being too much tension. So now you've got to decide what other tension you need to use in order to continue the flattening process without causing any damage or pain. And that's why Curve Correct is so great, because you have those options where other companies don't. So if you're thinking to yourself, I need to get this product in my business like yesterday, then I have some good news for you. I put together a course that you can complete in just a few hours that takes you through all the steps you need, from client consultation to nail prep to application to common mistakes and more. Every angle of incorporating this into your business will be covered. Not only that, but you'll receive a coupon code at the end of the training that will give you a discount for life at the Curve Correct website every time you purchase. And as a student at Revive Nail Academy, you'll be part of an online community of other like-minded nail technicians where you can converse with them and share ideas, get support, or just celebrate successes in your business. And then once you complete the course, you'll also be added to the Revive Nail Academy directory of graduates listed on the website so that it's a little bit easier for other people who are in need to find you. So all of this you'll get for $347. But if you're the first 10 to enroll, you'll get $100 off and you'll only have to pay $247. So chances are you're still here listening because you have clients, you're visualizing them right now, who you would like to be able to help, but you just can't because you don't have the skills or the know-how to do it safely and properly. Chances are you don't want to spend $1,000 or more on training and products for systems like Onyfix, where your clients take months and months to get results. Chances are that you see yourself set apart from your typical nail technician, one that focuses more on healing rather than concealing problems with nail polish or acrylic. And chances are good that you're ready to get learning and are just waiting for that right person or company or opportunity to come along and show you what you need to do. So the way I see it, you have three choices. Option one, do absolutely nothing. Continue to hunt for the perfect training or product. Your business might be absolutely fine. And if that's what you want to do, then this opportunity is just not for you. Option two, you purchase some Curve Correct bands on your own and try and teach yourself and just learn by doing. While this is absolutely a way that you could go, you're going to waste a lot of valuable time messing up and potentially hurting your clients because you're not using the right intentions or techniques, which would leave your clients feeling very dissatisfied and you probably just tossing out the whole idea. Or three, you just bite the bullet, invest in yourself, learn all the secrets, and start implementing the system into your business with confidence and success the first day. You'll see an instant bump on your paycheck, but more than that, you'll bring your clients out of pain and able to have a better quality of life. I think we all just take for granted every painless step that we take. But imagine every time you take a step, every time you put on a shoe or even a sock, that you have this searing or sharp pain in your toe. And you would do anything to get out of that pain. You've been considering surgery, perhaps. And along comes a nail tech who has a system, a proven system that works and gives immediate pain relief. Well, that's just priceless. No one wants to go have surgery. Everyone wants all their own toes. Everyone wants all their own nails. No one wants to have anything cut. It's a very painful recovery. So they're almost certain to try a more conservative method if you are going to offer one to them. So you have a decision to make. If you want to go with option three, click the link in the description box and get started learning today. Any questions you might have, put them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Thanks all for watching and I'll see you again soon.